Alright guys, kakarinig nyo lang no instructions ng ating international referee, si Attorney Dan Rex Tapdasan. So again, this is for our main event, IBF Pan Pacific Bantamweight title on the line. Rex Cho ng Hong Kong versus Genesis Libranza ng Pilipinas.
Round number 1.
Rex Cho is coming in with 23 wins. Wala pa siyang talo pero meron siyang isang draw. At meron siyang 14 KOs, and Genesis Libranza, meron siyang 22 wins, 5 losses at 14 KOs. So kung titingnan nyo sa papel, saktong-sakto itong dalawa na to in this matchup. Tingnan natin kung paano ito mag-unfold dito sa ating main event. Si Genesis Libranza po, yung naka-green at may pattern dun sa kanyang shorts. At si Rex Wonder Kid Cho naman, yung nakapula na shorts with black trim. At merong IBF logo and RCT logo sa kanyang boxing trunks. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo lahat guys, ng mga tao dito right now sa paligid ng ring, they're all standing. Oh. Talagang inaabangan nila what's going to happen. So right now, sa few seconds ng ating first round, nag-unfold na yung sukatan at konting batuan ng suntok ng dalawang boksingero. Tingnan natin kung sino yung unang makakaland ng medyo significant na patama. Oh. Genesis trying with that two-punch combo pero binalikan siya ni Rex Cho ng sarili niyang combo as well. Kung di ako nagkakamali, that's a 3-4 combo. Tumama yung kaliwa doon ni Rexio, no? So kung mapapansin nyo right now, sa lubong yung kanilang mga stance. Libranza is traditional yung kanyang stance, and then si Rexio is a southpaw. Rexio with the left hand rear na feint. And right now, he's on the attack. Another feint from Cho. Tingnan natin kung ano sineset up niya. Si Genesis din is doing an up and down motion, and then binato niya kanina yung kanan niya. And then again, to the body. Nagbato si Libranza. Another one to the body. Natakpan lang yung angulo ko dito. I don't know if it was clean, pero there was a sound. So either tumama yun sa midsection ni Cho or sa rear hand niya, baka na-block. Cho using that right hand as a measuring stick. Nagbato, nagpakawala ng hook si Wonder Kid. Another combination. End of round 1.
This boxing event is presented to us by the Lorde UKC Boxing Promotions. Second down. Second round.
Second round na for the IBF Pan Pacific Bantamweight title. This is between Rex Cho and Genesis Libranza. Hong Kong versus Philippines. 10 rounds po ito. This is the second round. Rex Cho throwing that right to the body ni Libranza. Nagpakawala din si Libranza nung kanyang kanan, ano? Uy. Another one to the body by Cho. Libranza trying to reach Rex Cho kaso mukhang di umabot. So far sa nakikita ko dito, at least yung ginagawa ni Libranza is doing a great job na ma-manage yung distansya. Kasi kung nakikita nyo sa cameras natin, significantly, mas matangkad at mas mahaba si Rex Cho. So, kaya ako nasabi na Libranza is doing a great job. Kasi hindi siya basta-basta pa rin nape-penetrate. Although tumatama, he's using head movement and yung distansya. So, doon papasok yung experience nito ni Libranza, At usapang experience, hindi rin papauli dyan si Rex Cho kasi talagang lumalaban din siya, hindi lang sa Hong Kong. Madalas nyo siyang napapanood. But right now, Libranza is down. Binibilangan siya ni Attorney Dan Rex Takdasan. Lalaban pa po si Libranza. Tingnan natin how he will handle this. Yung counting setback, Uy, nagpatama si Rex Cho dyan ng kanyang rear na left. And he's still on it. Talagang ini-stock niya ngayon si Libranza, Mukhang tinatry niya i-capitalize yung knockdown kanina. For our fans, international fans, anong masasabi nyo how Rex Cho is handling our veteran Genesis Libranza? End of round 2. Great showing for both boxers. Libranza challenging yung opensa ni Rex Cho. And Rex Cho capitalizing on what he's succeeding at right now, yung kanyang relentless din na opensa, Talagang tinututukan niya na makapenetrate doon sa pagdistansya at movement ni Libranza. Let us see kung what will unfold on round 3.
Seconds out. Third round.
So again, Rex Cho is on the offense. He's trying to penetrate again Libranza by throwing those jabs, using it as a measuring tool to aid him in trying to get that left rear dun sa body or head ni Libranza. But Libranza is showing no signs din na talagang siya ay bumibigay na. Pero right now, tingnan natin kung ito na nga ba. Libranza again with the knockdown, pero siya ay lalaban pa rin. He is continuing to fight, although Rex Cho, the Wonder Kid, is still on the attack. Throwing that uppercut again, mabilis. He returns dun sa sa bubble ni Libranza, not giving Libranza a chance to breathe. But Libranza lands those two punches to the head of Rex Cho. Although mukhang dito ininda ni Rex Cho. Again, Libranza is down. Attorney Dan Rex stops the fight. Rex Cho, the Wonder Kid, their team is celebrating na. Nasaan ba si Sir?
Ladies and gentlemen, after just 1 minute and 44 seconds of the third round, we have a winner by technical knockout, and now the new IBF Pan Pacific champion, ladies and gentlemen, Rex Cho! Once again, on behalf of the Lord of UKC, we would like to thank everyone who came here and supported this boxing event. Once again, congratulations to the newly crowned IBF Pan Pacific champion, Rex Cho.
Once again, congratulations to Rex Cho, the new IBF Pan Pacific Bantamweight title champion. Rex, Champ Rex, we'd just like to ask you, what does this mean to you, winning the IBF Pan Pacific title?
贏咗 IBF 嗱，好多嘅香港嘅朋友啦，知睇緊呢個直播啦，所以喺度都用廣東話咧去咗做簡單嘅翻譯啦。今次挑戰 IBF 攞到條腰帶，對於你嚟講幾大嘅意義？
首先多謝你現場支持我嘅朋友啦，多謝睇緊直播嘅香港人啦，全世界嘅所有人啦，thank you very much，thank you for watching my fight。贏咗今次呢個腰帶對我嘅意義非常重大，我想下一個目標係挑戰 IBF 嘅世界冠軍。
Yes， 跟住落嚟咧，佢將會咧，he wants to challenge the world champ, IBF world champ. Everyone in the house, let's give Rex a big round of applause. 現場嘅香港朋友俾啲掌聲，睇緊我哋直播嘅朋友啦，可唔可以都係俾啲掌聲啦，俾阿曹星如啊。
Lastly, Champ Rex, do you have any messages or a message for the Filipino fans and the Asian fans and the Hong Kong fans?
對於香港嘅粉絲、菲律賓嘅粉絲、亞洲嘅粉絲，你有冇啲咩信息俾佢哋？ 嘅時間，再翻返嚟，大家都繼續咁支持我，真係好多謝大家。salamat po.
Palapakan natin si Champ Rex. Basically, what he said to us is, matagal siyang tumigil. He stopped for a long time, but still, you're here supporting him. He's very thankful to his Filipino fans sa Hong Kong at sa buong Asia at sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta at sana abangan nyo pa yung susunod na UKC at RCT Promotions. Congratulations again. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, our new IBF Pan Pacific Bantamweight title champion, Rex the Wonder Kid Cho. Congrats champ.
好，咁啊繼續咧，因為有 live 嘅朋友咧，係聽廣東話嘅朋友咧，係睇緊我哋嘅訪問。當然 Rex 而家咧回緊氣，唞一唞先。要問下 Rex 嘅拳擊經理人 Landon Choi，啱啱講到咧就係要挑戰 IBF 嘅世界冠軍嚟緊，你點樣去為佢安排咧？
我哋希望挑戰 IBF 嘅世界冠軍啦，from 墨西哥嘅 Salas，yeah，so we hope we can get that fight happen for Rex。
咁啊嚟緊咧都會為 Rex 繼續安排比賽啦。嗱，其實上一次咧對住印度嘅拳手，可惜係打和啦。其實你等咗幾耐，同埋心入邊抱住一啲咩感覺去再打今次嘅 IBF 腰帶賽咧？
一個少少嘅停頓唔會阻止到我追我嘅目標嘅，咁反而令到我喺啱啱今次呢次嘅訓練嘅準備實戰啊各方面，我覺得個狀態更加投入。喺實戰啊、體能啊、分佈我都可以，我覺得係比之前嘅實戰控制得更加好，所以真係好希望向住自己嘅目標進發啦。
我哋香港嘅傳媒咧都有啲朋友睇緊嘅，咁啊少少嘅爆料都要講一講。其實一兩個禮拜之前你都未係100狀態，因為有少少病地啦。其實今次有冇影響你哋嘅即係你自己嘅發揮咧？
病就喺最尾嗰個實戰最尾嗰個禮拜啦，就開始有少少作感冒咁嘅感覺啦。但係都唔影響我嘅實戰嘅。我最尾都係完成埋我6個回合嘅實戰啦。雖然之後係病喺減磅嘅時間可能會頭嗰幾日會有少少停滯啦，咁但係反而嗰少少嘅停滯令我更加專心養好啲個病，即刻好翻啲啦，就再準備去減磅。咁所以對今次準備嘅訓練啊、減磅啊，我覺得成個流程嘅狀態都比我過往好多場比賽我都覺得今次係非常滿意。
今次係12 round 嘅比賽啦，10 round 嘅比賽啦，唔好意思，10 round 嘅比賽啦。咁你喺即係咁早嘅階段去 KO 對方，咁啊戰績而家23勝咧，15次 KO。其實今次嘅比賽有冇話諗住其實拖長去打，定係睇到個情況有機會 KO 對方，咁係咁早嘅階段去打低對方咧？
其實中間一路其實每次比賽我都盡量去把握每一個機會啦。頭先即係我見到有機會，我擊中佢，覺得嗰個進攻係有效果嘅時間，我就盡量去把握每一次有機會出現嘅機會。即係我一見到有明顯效果，我就會去追擊嗰個組合咯。咁K 唔 KO 到我唔係擺佢喺最首選，我只係想喺每一次有機會出現喺我面前嘅時候，我都盡量把握好咯。咁但係仲有好多改善嘅空間咧，即係頭先一見到有機會，自己心急一出去，一想上前進攻咧，就會可能反而中咗好幾下重拳咯。係啊，呢啲係要即係嚟緊之後，仲要打對世界冠軍嘅再更加高水平嘅對手啦。咁所以呢啲嘅犯嘅少少嘅錯誤係不斷去提醒自己，要去喺每次嘅實戰啊，都要去改善好呢啲錯誤咯。
係啦，咁啊當然啦，我知道你而家好口乾，喺你飲水之前呢，我都想真係問下你一條咧比較即係搞笑啲嘅問題。因為過年咧你冇得食嘢㗎，冇得食蘿蔔糕，乜都冇得食。而家最想食係啲咩嘢咧？
過年我都有食少少嘅，有偷食少少，所以個磅就即刻上咗，係啦，咁就要自己去努力還翻減翻磅啦。咁因為琴日過完磅之後，其實都已經有食翻嘢，所以呢一刻問我想食咩，我又其實反而係覺得平淡足夠就可以啦。
咁啊，多謝晒 Rex， 多謝晒 Team LCT，everyone in the Lauder Gym，let's give Rex and Team LCT a big round of applause。現場嘅香港嘅朋友，睇緊電視我哋嘅 Facebook Live 嘅朋友咧，俾啲掌聲俾阿 Rex，再次多謝大家 ，thank you very much everyone，thank you。